Older homes often come with charm, character, and history, but they can also come with drafty windows. If you've noticed cool air creeping in near your windows or uneven temperatures in certain rooms, aging window systems may be the cause. For homeowners in Rockford, vinyl window replacement is one of the most effective ways to eliminate drafts and improve everyday comfort without sacrificing the home's style. Why older windows become drafty over time? Window materials naturally wear down. Frames can shift, seals may crack, and weather stripping can deteriorate. In older Rockford houses, these small changes often lead to noticeable gaps around the window frame or sash. Even minor openings allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape, creating uncomfortable drafts. The advantage of vinyl frames: vinyl window frames are designed with durability and performance in mind. Unlike some traditional materials, vinyl resists warping, swelling, and cracking over time. For Rockford homeowners, this stability is essential. Vinyl frames maintain their shape, which helps preserve a tight seal and prevent the formation of new air gaps. Improved sealing technology: modern vinyl replacement windows include advanced sealing systems that were not available in older designs. These improved seals create a stronger barrier between indoor and outdoor air. In Rockford homes, this significantly reduces drafts that often develop around aging windows. Precision fit during installation: draft reduction depends not only on the window itself but also on how it is installed. Professional vinyl window replacement in Rockford ensures accurate measurements and proper insulation around the frame. This eliminates hidden gaps that contribute to air leakage. Reducing temperature fluctuations: drafty windows can cause certain rooms to feel noticeably colder in cooler seasons or warmer when temperatures rise. By upgrading to vinyl replacement windows, Rockford homeowners can maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. This creates a balanced and comfortable environment throughout the home. Making window areas comfortable: again, in many older homes, seating or furniture placed near windows becomes uncomfortable due to cold air infiltration. After vinyl window replacement, Rockford residents often find that these areas become usable again. Living spaces feel more inviting, even near the window line. Supporting energy efficiency: when drafts are present, indoor systems must work harder to compensate for air loss. Vinyl replacement windows help reduce this strain by limiting air infiltration. In Rockford houses, this supports smoother indoor system performance and improved overall efficiency. Long-term draft prevention: temporary solutions like sealing tape or draft blockers may provide short-term relief, but they do not address underlying structural issues. Vinyl window replacement offers a long-term solution. Rockford homeowners benefit from durable materials and improved construction that continue to resist drafts year after year. Enhancing overall home comfort: comfort extends beyond temperature. It includes the feeling of stability and control within your living space. With vinyl window replacement, Rockford homeowners often notice a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Reduced drafts mean fewer cold spots and more consistent airflow. Preserving character while improving performance: many older Rockford houses have unique architectural details. Vinyl windows are available in styles that complement traditional designs while offering modern performance benefits. Homeowners can maintain their home's charm while eliminating draft-related discomfort. A practical upgrade for older homes: drafts are a common issue in aging properties, but they are not something homeowners must simply accept. For residents in Rockford, vinyl window replacement provides an effective way to reduce drafts, improve indoor comfort, and enhance long-term performance. By combining durable materials, improved sealing technology, and professional installation, vinyl windows transform older houses into more comfortable and efficient homes, without losing their original character.